Congratulations. If you're watching this, that means your TLS watch has officially arrived and you're ready to get it all set up. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started. We're going to be covering what's included in the box, how to assemble your watch, how to charge your watch, how to power on your watch, how to connect it to the app, how to customize your settings, how software updates work, and how to use the TLS features, and of course, answers to the most common questions before they're even asked. By the end of this video, your watch will be fully set up and ready to go, so let's begin. Step one is what's included. Inside your package, you'll find your TLS watch, your standard watch band, a magnetic charging cable, and a quick start guide. Depending on your order, you may also have another box which includes the TLS Supercharge band separately. Before moving forward, lay everything out in front of you. Step two is all about attaching your watch band. So let's attach the band. Each side of the watch band clicks directly into the watch face. Simply click the button on the back of each connector and let go of the button once each connector is in place. Once attached, gently tug on the band to ensure it is secure. Step three is charging your watch. Before first use, it is recommended to fully charge your watch if not fully charged already. Take the included magnetic charging cable and align it with the charging contacts on the back of the watch. The magnets will automatically snap into place. Connect the other end to a USB power source. If your battery is low, allow it to charge before continuing. Step four is powering on the watch. To power on the watch, press and hold the side button. After a few seconds, the TLS logo will appear. The watch will begin its startup process. Once complete, you'll be guided through the setup screens. Step five is the initial setup. First, select your language. Scroll through to see all the languages offered, as there are quite a few. Once you choose your language, you will see a QR code to scan to download the app. You can skip this step at this point if you choose to by swiping left and then tapping the screen. You can always download the app later, as both Google and Apple apps are available for download on the page this video lives on. And don't worry if you're unsure about any setting, everything can be adjusted later. Step six is downloading the app. Once you finish your initial setup, and for the best experience, it is recommended to download the app, which once again is available for download through this landing page or by simply typing in TLS Watch on either the Apple Store or Google Play Store. The app allows you to sync your health data, customize settings, install software updates as they become available, manage watch features, and access additional functionality. Again, simply download the app and follow the pairing instructions through the app. The connection process only takes a few minutes, and it is very self-explanatory. One of the most common questions is, do I need the app? The answer is no. The TLS watch works independently without the app. You can use the watch and access its built-in TLS functionality directly from the device itself. However, the app unlocks additional features, settings, and software updates that many users find valuable. Step seven is all about customizing your watch. Now that your watch is connected, take a few moments to personalize it. You can customize everything like watch faces, display brightness, notifications, health tracking preferences, sleep tracking settings, activity tracking options, raise to wake functionality. The goal is to make the watch fit your lifestyle. Step eight is activating TLS features. The TLS watch includes built-in TLS functionality designed to support your daily experience. To access the TLS frequency intervals, you do not need the app. You simply swipe left and it will run for as long as you allow it to. If you choose to use the app, it is recommended to go to the Reminders section under Device and set how often you choose to be reminded to charge yourself with the TLS frequency intervals. Personally, my watch reminds me every 2 hours from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. As it pertains to the Supercharge band itself, if included in your order, the band is charged with both 7.83 Hz and 432 Hz frequencies, which will be imparted onto you just by wearing the band itself. Step 9 is all about understanding your health data. Another common question is, how accurate are the readings? The TLS watch is designed to provide wellness insights, trend monitoring, and personal awareness. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease and should not be considered a medical device. The watch is most valuable when observing trends and changes over time rather than focusing on any single reading. When it comes to first week calibration, if your metrics seem unusual during your first few days, don't worry. Like many wearable devices, the watch may become more accurate as it gathers additional baseline information about your body and your lifestyle. Give the watch several days of regular wear to establish your personal baseline. Next up is how to wear the watch correctly. Proper placement matters. For the most accurate readings, wear the watch approximately 1 finger width above your wrist bone. The watch should feel secure but comfortable, not too tight, not too loose. A loose fit can reduce sensor accuracy. A proper fit ensures the best possible performance. When it comes to battery life varies based on usage and settings. Features such as screen brightness, notification frequency, Bluetooth usage, raise to wake features, screen on features, and health tracking intervals can all impact battery performance. For the best experience, it is recommended to charge your watch regularly and keeping it above 20% charge whenever possible. Charging is quick and easy using the included magnetic charger as shown earlier in this video. As it pertains to water resistance, the watch is water resistant, but not waterproof. It is designed to withstand everyday exposure to water, including hand washing, rain, and accidental splashes. The watch may also be submerged in water up to 1 meter, roughly 3.3 feet, for up to 30 minutes. To help protect your device and maximize its lifespan, it is recommended to avoid prolonged or intentional water exposure whenever possible. Do not wear the watch in hot showers, hot tubs, saunas, steam rooms, high temperature environments. Heat, steam, and rapid temperature changes can compromise the watch's seal over time and may affect its long-term performance. If your watch is accidentally submerged or you suspect water has entered the device, use the built-in drain function immediately to help expel any trapped moisture. With proper care and handling, your TLS watch will provide reliable performance for years to come. When it comes to phone compatibility, the TLS watch is compatible with supported iPhone and Android devices. When it comes to notifications, depending on your device and permissions, you may receive calls, text messages, app notifications, calendar reminders, and additional alerts. Notification preferences can be adjusted at any time through the app itself. As it pertains to software updates, the Light System is committed to continually improving the TLS watch experience. Software updates may include performance improvements, new features, enhanced functionality, and bug fixes. To update your watch, open your app, navigate to device settings, select firmware upgrade, and if any upgrade is available, follow the on-screen instructions. It is strongly recommended to keep your watch up to date for the best experience. When it comes to restarting your watch, if your watch ever becomes unresponsive, press and hold the side button for several seconds, swipe the power button to the right, and allow the device to shut down. Then, press and hold the side button again for several seconds until it turns back on for a complete reboot. Many common issues can be resolved with a simple restart. If you need to take it to the next level, that's where a factory reset comes in. If instructed by customer support, you can perform a factory reset. Navigate to device settings on the app, scroll down to factory reset, and tap the button. You may also do this through the watch directly by swiping down on the main screen and getting to the settings section. Please note, a factory reset removes all device settings and stored data from the watch. Only perform this action if necessary. When it comes to questions about the TLS Supercharge band, if your watch includes the TLS Supercharge band, you may be wondering, can I wear it all day? The answer is yes. Can I sleep with it? The answer is yes. Can I switch between bands? Absolutely. Can I wear it regularly as part of my daily routine? Absolutely. The Supercharge band was designed for everyday use and convenience. Again, it is charged and embedded with both 7.83 Hertz and 432 Hertz frequencies. If you need to troubleshoot, here are the common questions. My watch won't turn on. What do I do? Connect the watch to the charger and allow it to charge for at least 30 minutes. Then try powering it on again. If this doesn't work, reach out to customer support. Another question, my watch won't connect to the app. What do I do? Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Restart both your phone and your watch. Open the app and retry the pairing process. If you ask, my data isn't syncing, what do I do? Open the app, pull down to refresh, ensure Bluetooth is connected, and if necessary, reconnect the watch. If you wonder why your readings seem unusual, allow several days of consistent wear for calibration. Make sure the watch is worn properly and securely. As it pertains to warranty and support, if you need assistance with shipping, tracking, product support, warranty questions, technical issues, the Light System is here to help. Please contact the Light System using the support information provided with your order. As for the most common questions, before contacting support, here are the answers to the most frequently asked questions. Do you need the app? No, you do not need the app. The watch works independently, but the app unlocks additional features. What about Bluetooth usage? The TLS watch is designed so that Bluetooth only needs to be enabled when syncing data between the watch and the app. Once your data has been synced, you can turn Bluetooth off completely if you prefer. The watch will continue operating normally, tracking your metrics and running its built-in TLS functionality without requiring a constant Bluetooth connection. When you're ready to sync your latest data, simply turn Bluetooth on, open the app, and pull down to refresh. Your watch and app will reconnect and update automatically. This gives you the flexibility to use the watch with or without continuous Bluetooth connectivity, depending on your personal preference. Can I wear it while sleeping? You may ask. The answer is yes. Many users wear it overnight, including myself, for sleep tracking. You may ask, how do I activate TLS features? Simply swipe left on the main screen and the TLS frequency interval will begin. How do you update your watch? Updates are installed through the app on the device section. How do I get the most accurate readings? Wear the watch consistently, one finger width above the wrist bone with a secure fit. And that's it. Your TLS watch is now set up and ready to go. Whether you're tracking your wellness journey, monitoring your daily metrics, exploring the TLS features, or simply becoming more aware of your body's patterns, your journey is about to begin. Welcome to the world of the Light System watch, a field you can wear. Enjoy the journey and reach out to customer support after watching this video if you have any further questions.